Hello everyone, welcome back to my another brand new vlog. In today's vlog we are going to visit Dam Visiting Centre in Pitlochry. This is located on A9 when you travel Perth to Inverness. From Dundee to there is going to be 1 hour and 7 minute drive. So first of all I'm going to get a car washed. It's look a bit dirty. Let me show you that. So this is quite dirty at the moment, as you can see, because I'm using this one on a work as well same time, so need to get good car wash. So I'm going to get car washed from automated car wash. Is cheaper as well and is faster, and they will dry up everything with the hot air. So first of all I'm going there, and then we continue our travel to Pitlochry Dam Visiting Centre, and I will see you there. I will be recording a little bit wee bit clips on the way as well, with the phone and with my new DJI Osmo Action 3. And so let's start our journey to Pitlochry. I'm going to put my phone in a holder, and I will be recording few bits on the way as well. So guys, we are reaching to automatic car wash. Here we're going to get our car washed, and then we'll continue our journey to visiting Dam Visiting Centre Pitlochry. So let's get our car washed first. Just a normal wash, brother. I have to turn off my automated screen wiper first, just in case it keep working inside the car wash. It can break down. We are going inside now. So now we don't have to drive through. There's a conveyor belt underneath one side of the wheels. On the right side they will automatically taking you inside and take you outside of the other side, and the spinning brushes inside, they will wash all four sides of your car: top, bottom, front, left and right. It's gonna be quite noisy inside. So all four sides going to get washed inside just like that. There is a front bit in here and the right side as left side as well. There's brushes, round brushes working around just like that. The car is in neutral, it's just working by itself. So our car being washed and dry up with the hot air and some of the toweling system they have on the end bit. And now we just came out of car wash and I'm going to park here for a second and I will show you guys how it's clean now. You can see now all side nice and shiny. On the top, back, everything is clean now. Still we with water dropping in there because did not blow up the proper way, but most of the parts on the top and the front on the mirrors they are dry up with the hot wind and toweling system. You can see nice and clean. And by the way, I did upgraded the LED light. I will make a separate video for that one. So I'm going to start my journey. I have my bag in there with the other camera and everything. I got my drone and I put my other Samsung S23 Ultra in the clip in there to record some of the travel video while we are driving. So let's start our journey. I'm going to use my other phone for the navigation because I did not went there before, so I do not know the way how to get there, but I been traveling on A9. I know Pitlochry is, but inside we be traveling there maybe 1 or 2 miles exactly to that place. So that located on River Tummel, and that's coming up to Pathway, and there's a 2 river joining Towheed River and River Tummel. So the temperature here is 16 degree and it's quite warm and sunny. I put my glasses on and let's go to visit Dam Center. Hello everyone, welcome back again. We are near the Pitlochry Dam Visitor Centre. Just a 4 mile left from here, and I just start recording because the river we are going to be cross just now, that's the same river where the dam is on the other side of the road. So the same river go and join the Towheed River further on the pathway, and that's the same river go to the Dundee area and then go to the sea. So in a few minutes you will see I'm just going to cross the same river bridge in here. It's a small bridge, and then we go to the other side of the road. There's a sign coming up as well, so we have to follow that sign. So that's the bridge, that's the small bridge we are crossing here now. Underneath there is a river where we're going to visit just now, and we're going to take an exit after a few minutes. So there's a bend going on in there, and there's a way to go other side of this road and to the river, and the town center is on the other side of this road. We are traveling on A9 to Inverness. We're going to visit Dam Visitor Centre in Pitlochry. So just in a few minutes we're going to reach in there. So this is a single carriageway, two-way traffic. The speed limit here is 60 miles per hour, and there's so many speed average camera all over the road. Per 2-in-1s, every 1 to 2 miles there's a speed limit camera, speed average camera. So you cannot speed up in here because every 1 to 2 miles there's a speed average camera. They're recording your speed. And here we are going to take the exit to the right, and here we are going to take an exit, and we're going to the Dam Visitor Centre. There's actually road going to the town, and there's some parking area up the way in here as well, but we are traveling to the town here. I can see the river crossing to the left side underneath. We are on a bit higher level on the mountain, and there's a parking underneath there, and there's a beautiful bridge as well there, and there is parking here. We're going to park our car here, and there's a Pitlochry festival theater in there as well. So I'm gonna park my car up here somewhere. I will park here.